Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir, I can hear you, sir.
Sir, we can hear.
Are you able to hear me? No?
Yes, yes, sir. We can hear.
Hello?
Yes,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you able to hear me, guys?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
They're not able to hear me. मुझे earphone दे दे यार. I get fed up. Hello?
Yes,
We are
sir.
able to hear you, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. We are able to hear you.
Okay, you're able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Keep responding. That's
Can
why
hear
I
you,
am
sir.
not able to hear you.
Okay. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Able now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What you are talking, I'm not able to hear. I don't understand why.
Naturally orders.
Headphones में इसका. Yeah, now I'm able to hear it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, done.
Okay.
Okay, any doubts so far? Anything has to be clear? Anything has to be clear.
So actually, I got one doubt. I forgot to note it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, when I remember, I will message.
Yes, yes, no problem, no problem. Others, anything?
So the one thing
No
is,
doubts, but don't ask questions, sir.
For that only, I'm just assuring myself. You all know it.
so it's very, very difficult to remember the. It takes time, I
Names
think.
and
No problem, no problem. I will just test your memory, like how difficult it is and how long it is going to take time. Okay, ma'am. P3 when we can use it?
Sir, P3
Hmm.
for the women, female and kids.
female and a child.
Yes, ma'am. C17.
C17. We have to see. Immediately, sir, if you ask like this, it is difficult.
No, C17, upper, middle, and lower GIO. So lower GIO.
Yeah.
Lower GIO. Okay. What are the female remedies?
Sir,
One is
that I remember. C5, sir.
C5 special for breast and uterus. But general
C2.
female remedies is S2, C2.
C2.
Simple S2, C2 female remedies. S5, C5 skin disorders.
So
Okay.
skin disorder. APP also you told.
Yeah, S5, C5. Then APP is also skin disorder.
Okay.
Okay. Which electricity will help you to tone the nervous system?
Red electricity.
Red electricity. Which electricity is for inflammation, any kind of infection, inflammations?
That is
Green.
blue.
Green.
Green.
Which
Green.
electricity is to tone up the vessels? Blue.
Blue.
Which
Blue.
electricity to expel the things out? Yellow
Yellow.
electricities. Which is neutral electricity.
Right.
Where you can use the neutral electricity?
Central spine and central.
முடிஞ்சே போச்சு. Which is the negative charge on the body? Which side is negatively charged?
Right face, right chest,
Right.
right back.
Right. And how
Right
to
face.
remember? I have a code word. See, red electricity is positive, which we mostly use on the right side. Red on the right is a code word. Red electricity, right side. So red electricity, we have to remember it is a positive.
Positive,
Red electricity is positive. So red electricity on the right side, it means right is negative.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So red on right, red right, R R. Rescue remedy. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Okay.
So the keyword மாதிரி. Okay. Now constipation, large intestine, என்ன மெடிசன் கொடுக்கலாம்?
Yes. So last for the constipation.
Constipation is which medicine?
Yes. Say last.
Yes, la last.
Yes.
Yes, last. Superb. Which medicine is for eye problem?
Oh,
Sir, S12.
Yes, 12. Yesterday we did, right? Now
Yes.
suppose Lalita ma'am is going for traveling into the uphill. She has a vomiting, motion sickness. What medicine can used?
S11, sir.
Yes, 11. Okay. Now if to Ashok somebody is approaching that I have a liver problem, what are the possible combination Ashok is going to use it?
S5, C5,
So
sir.
that's 5 weeks.
Ashok
C5.
sir, நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும். You have to say it, Ashok. சொல்லுங்க. liver. C6 கிடையாது. C6 is kidneys. C10 is for liver. Functionally, which is for liver?
So S5 is for liver, no, sir.
Yes, S5 is for liver functionally. Okay, S5 we have written as liver. Okay, no problem, sir. S5 is for liver. Now, let me tell you, now for COVID, okay, for coronavirus 2019, okay, he has cold and cough. So what are the combinations you are going to select?
Yesterday only we did, no?
Cough, for cough.
Sir, you the RNA, DNA, which one that is?
First veru
but,
cough. First
C1.
veru cough.
P1,
Veru
P1.
cough.
P1.
Cough is special. P1 and P3.
P3.
P1 and P3. P3 ஏன்னா நம்ம வந்துட்டு P1 general physician, P2 for chronic, P3 is for cough and cold and women and kids ன்னு சொல்லிருக்கோம். Okay, so P3 is special for cough. So first medicine is P3. Okay, now this portion belongs to what? Upper GIO. Which medicine for upper GIO?
Yes, 70.
C13. C13. So first medicine P3, second medicine C13. Now electricity is yesterday when I said you for cardiovascular lungs, blue electricity is excellent.
Okay.
Because what happens? here, because of the infection, they get very weak inside. They don't know how to expand. They become weak. They become congested. They become congested. They need to open up. So two electricities we can use, either blue electricity or yellow electricity.
Okay.
Okay, blue electricity or yellow electricity. Now, there is COVID attacks the overall circulation of your body. So which medicine you can use? Overall circulation.
A3.
A3.
F3, sir.
A3.
A3.
A3. So our first formula is what? P3, A3, C13B. P3 for cough, A3 general circulation, C13 upper GAO, throat, nose, all are included in that, and blue electricity to tone up, to make them very strong, they don't get disturbed.
Okay.
This is your first formula. Now, what
Okay.
else happens in COVID? Fever.
Hmm.
Fever, what is the medicine for fever?
So we
February.
can F1 we can give.
F1. Fever ki F1. Okay. Immunity ke enna medicine?
Immunity.
Pathingla, these 5 days you did not turn the paper. Within
No, sir.
10 minutes, we have turned so many papers.
No, sir. Every day we said, but we are forgetting.
No problem, ma'am. F1 is the first medicine for fever. We need to improve immunity. So, what will be the second medicine? Immunity will be improved by which system?
Yes, what?
Immunity is improved by which system in your body?
Spleen, lymphatic.
Lymphatic system. Lymphatic system or a medicine. What is a lymphatic system medicine? L1.
Oh, L1. Okay.
L1. So F1, L1. Okay. Now, in electricity, what we can use to neutralize everything?
White. White is in
White
neutral, right?
electricity. So F1, L1, WE is for fever.
So why we are using white here? You told white only for the center thing, no?
To neutralize any things in the application wise, it is center.
Okay.
White electricity, you can use it anywhere on the body. When we
Okay.
go with application in the center, rather than negative and positive, we prefer only neutral. But
Okay.
white electricity can be given inside to neutralize anything.
Okay.
Okay. So F1, L1, WA is for fever. So two formulas you know for COVID. Okay. Now in COVID, what we need to prevent any kind of inflammations in the body. We have to make sure the kidneys function superbly, because detox mechanism in the kidneys.
Yes.
Right. What is the structural medicine for the kidney or functional medicine for kidney?
C6 and
Yes, 6C6, right?
yeah.
Okay, now if you have to prevent infections inside body, which is the germicide medicine which we have?
The wormy.
Yes, worm group. Now yesterday I said we need to worm one, and yesterday I said like when one is excellent for all kind of problems and diseases. So another third formula is C6 when one worm one. These three formulas has made me to sit here with treated today also 6 patients have took it the medicines.
But why we are using C6 and S6, sir? The what is the
Ayo.
may not affect also, no? Why you have to give that?
Kidneys, we need to make sure your body keep detoxing. It doesn't accumulate any form of toxins, and toxins removal is by what? Kidneys.
Then we can include even liver also, no, sir?
We can use liver when we need to use energy of the body.
Okay.
When we want to gain energy, there is a COVID, a variant of the COVID which affects the intestine. So that is why people with COVID also get diarrhea.
Yes.
At that time, we need energy, S5. At the same time, intestine has to be clear, S10. At that time, we use S5, S10, WE. WE is to neutralize it. So
Okay.
it's
Is
very
there
simple. It's very simple to create a
it's not
formula.
It's not simple, sir. It's really, my head is really.
See, I did not do anything. You all only created. Did I do anything?
No, sir. Actually, with lot of difficulty, we are turning the page. See, morning, I say, after I went through, even though I am forgetting.
No problem, ma'am. My age, your age, only half difference. அவ்வளவுதானே. So
Sir.
you have more experience of my age is your
Don't
experience.
talk about age, sir. Except Nirmala madam, all her half age only, sir. Or
No.
quarter age.
What I'm telling is my age is her experience. Age பெருசா, experience பெருசா.
அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை சார். ஏஜ்ல நீங்க யூ ஆர் வெரி எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்ட். ஹியர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்
அப்படின்னு இல்லை. Understanding concept, ma'am. Nothing. You don't need to be really experienced. Understand the concept. Why we have to use what? Simple, ma'am.
ஓகே.
Simple. அதனால தான் சொன்னேன். When we revise, it becomes very easy. Okay, I need to understand what kind of problem the person is facing. Okay, or one more example we take, migraine headache. This is I am specialist into it, or we are challengingly reducing migraine headache within 3 months. Of course, I give diet and I have a schedule with that. They also help it. EH helps me 50%. Now migraine, why it is happening? Tell me, ma'am.
Sir, migraine is because of blood pressure or stress that is going to hit the head. And in acupuncture from the
Yes, ma'am. Whoever is going to tell correctly, they have to give one chocolate to me. Okay.
only one, sir.
One podum, ma'am. One podum. I am on dieting. That's why. Yes. 1 point is okay, ma'am. So see, understand. It is a way of understanding the disease. Nothing. Rest is all simple. Only 38 medicines. Only 38 medicines. See, first point what Lalita ma'am said is what? It is the excess of pressure which goes up. Okay.
Yes.
Correct. I will note this point. What else? Why migraine happens? Due to stomach problem is perfect because acidity is a key factor in the digestive system. Which
Liver.
organ is for migraine? Yes, liver.
Liver.
Liver is important. Yes, of course, liver and gallbladder, because it is what? Pittam, bile.
Yes, that's why we
Okay.
treat.
Yes. Now ask the migraine people. Very simple. They will say migraine. You put your head down. You ask the question, how frequently do you get frustrated and anger? They will look at you. How this guy has known about me? First point. Second point, you ask it. How is your sleep pattern between 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock? They will again ask, my sleep pattern is disturbed, sir. Third point, you ask it, when you go to sunlight, do you get headache? They will say, yes, sir, we are getting headache when I go to sunlight. Okay. Fourth point, you ask it, if you become hungry, if you don't eat food properly on time, do you get it? He will be shocked to know like all these things are happening and he never knew this. This is the reason for migraine. Oh, I'm not recording the screen. Okay, 1 second. Sorry. Aniket will. You are recording? Yeah. Okay, sir. You have to send me. The duty is yours, Ashwin.
Sir, yesterday we sent the link, sir. YouTube
Yesterday
link.
we have just small repairing work of my table, so I did not convert it. But yesterday 1 hour 14 minutes I've recorded. So Ashok sir will also send it. I will also add on to it. Okay, done. Okay, so migraine. So once you know it, see, for him, eyes getting into sun, if he is fasting, if he's not taken food properly also, then he gets migraine. All right. So everywhere what happens? We know it is liver. So when you ask these 4 questions, all these questions are what? Acupuncture questions, right?
Yes.
Anger, emotion of liver order timing, liver and gallbladder 11 to 3. When you are hungry, liver has to secrete excess energy. Correct? These are all the concept of acupuncture, but you utilize the concept of 5 elements. But medicine, what we will give? Yes
Yes.
group la enna medicine kudupinga liver ku?
Yes, S5.
S5, first medicine. S5, with S5, what we need to include? What did I say? With S group, what are the things you can add on?
Even
L,
C.
L. With
Okay.
all S medicine, I said na S1, L1, S2, L1, S3, L1. So with every S group, we need to improve body immunity for sure. So we will add on S5, L1. Okay. Now here the migraine is what? Pounding. Okay, it is pounding headache, right? They
Yes.
just need to hold. So what we need to do is we have to calm down. So yesterday I gave an example to calm down the blood flow. It is what electricity did I use? Yes, blue electricity. So S5L1B is my first formula. Now in structural medicine, next one, structural we will use it, sir. Structural, what is a medicine for liver?
C.
Turn the
C.
page.
So liver, no, sir.
Liver, no, illa. Liver, yes, ma'am.
So C5 is for liver, no, sir.
C5 is for liver
Ah.
and C10 is special for liver. எழுதியிருப்பேன் பாருங்க.
Oh, yes, sir. C10 is special. Yeah.
Yes, C5 special for women. Though it
Yeah.
helps liver, C5 is special for women related structural changes. C10 is liver related structural changes. So C10 with C group, what we need to add?
C10.
With all S group, you added L1.
Yeah,
Okay.
L2.
With all C group, what you need to add? I said
Yeah, L2.
no. When group, always VEN, when.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't note down
Always
that.
with all C groups. None beta. Test tube, distilled water, 30 ml bottles. Okay. We will just see the preparation of the. Okay. So with all the C group, add when group. Okay. Now C10 when 1. Okay, now here what happens when the bile secretion improves? Bile is acidic or alkaline?
Acidic.
Acidic. So when the acid level increases in the body, what response it creates? Inflammation response. Okay, it creates an inflammation response. Okay, when it creates an inflammation response, we can add with all C group green electricity.
Okay.
So with all C group, when group and green electricity will favor the C group. So what is your second formula? C10 when 1 GE. First formula is S5L1 WE or blue electricity. Two formulas. These two formulas is going to work wonders. Just change the diet pattern. Simple.
We should
So
add both, sir.
yes, sir.
Should
We have to
add
give both. We have to give both. One medicine, one combination. We will give it before. No. Only one, but I need to teach them how to prepare medicines. Only one. Okay. So we can give one as before food, one as after food. All right. So this is how simple it is to prepare the formula. When we have to study repeatedly. Nothing, ma'am. Nothing will come without hard work.
Yes.
Nothing can come without hard work. Definitely, we need to do a good hard works. Okay.
Yes, sir. When acupuncture also the pants used to go to above the head.
Yes.
Then we do that. Now this also.
Yes, simple. Here, acupuncture also, we have so many points. Here,
Yes.
only 38. Out of 38, by default, you know 15 for sure. See, P group, you know. A group, you know. L is for immunity. Vermifugo, you know. APP, skin also, you know. S12 for eyes. Still that, you know. So, almost we know about 15. Unno padikka vendadu only 13, 20. Avladhan. So we can study it. All right. So we will move on to our next topic. We will move on to
Sir.
next topic. Yes, ma'am.
For migraine, you said food pattern. What are the changes, sir?
Food pattern, separate charges. Dr. Jain's consultation fees applies.
Sure, sir.
If I teach everything, then it is no. You have to study, and I will see have you studied properly. You have to put it in the group. Then I will guide you what else. So getting knowledge from me is not easy. You have to study also for that. Then I'm open to guide you.
Okay.
Yes, I will guide you, but you have to study what food. See, for every problem, whether you are giving a solution or not, secondary, learn the do's and don'ts. In migraine, what you should do. In migraine, what you should not do. If you teach your patient this one, your success is for sure. You have to teach the patient do's and don'ts. Talavali, headache, teach them what they have to eat, what they have to avoid naturally. For that, you need to study migraine do's and don'ts, different styles, different things. You have to note it down. You can send that notes to me. If you send the note, for me, it is a satisfaction like Lalita ma'am or Nirmala ma'am or Ashok sir, Mala ma'am, Ram Gopal sir, you have really studied something, then it is my duty to guide you properly. But for that, you have to study to get information from me. Otherwise, I will never send in my diet information or other management in the group at all. I will never send in electrohomeopathy. If you share to me, then I will share it to you. Okay. Otherwise, what happens is I will become a person hindrance for your study. I will be a teacher. I will be just a teacher who just spoon feed you. So I want my students to come up above me and just teach something to me so that I also learn from them. So
No,
that
sir,
I
we are
need it.
looking for Indian education system, sir. Bayat and vomit, bayat and vomit.
அது கிடையவே கிடையாது ma'am. From the college time till 12th standard, I by-hearted and vomited fully. Fully vomited. In 10th standard, I become school second. In +2, I became school 7th because I vomited. College, I did not vomit at all.
You can't do, sir. Physiotherapy, how you can vomit?
College is applications,
Yes,
and I became a gold medalist in Tamil Nadu.
very good, sir.
College, that's why I learned. If you vomit, you become second and 7th. If you did not vomit, you become gold medalist.
Yeah, I agree with you.
So that is the way I try to teach also. I try learned also. The teacher is always ready to give information, provided he see a student who is ready to grasp the information what I have. So adu venum. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now, any other doubt, ma'am? Any other doubts? Any clarifications I need to go? Okay. No. So we will go with the word page. Important topic for today. Okay. Very, very important topic. This you need to learn. This topic is your success. If you